Hello, fellow stitchers. I'm Cher Johnston, and welcome to my happy place. I thought I'd come on this morning and do a quick video to send you down a little rabbit hole. I have here this crochet thread fashion 3. It's a size 3. I don't think it's important what size you use. That's just a size that I decided I'm never going to crochet with. And so I'm going to use it up. And I have a chenille needle, pretty big one. I think it's a 22. So I'm going to thread my needle here. Then I have about 2 feet. I'm going to take this pen and I'm going to wrap the end of the thread 3 times around the end of the pen. And then make sure I'm on camera. And then I'm going to pull the needle through the center like that and make a little knot. This is a detached buttonhole stitch. Okay, so this is, if you want to go down a rabbit hole, this is similar to a Dorset button. And in the 19th century, I think, before we had plastic buttons, they would make buttons something like this. If you want to go down that rabbit hole. But what I'm going to use this for is for my my stitch book, my stitch dictionary, because I didn't want to, I want to be able to see the backstory. I want to be able to see the backs of my work. But I also wanted it to be like a book. Thought about using magnets. I don't have any magnets. I remembered seeing a video from Sarah Roxbury, Roxy Creations by Sarah. She had done, they went to some festival or something, and she showed a book where someone had put it together with D-rings at the back. I think they were D-rings. I'm just going to cut this off. When I first started making these, I was trying to hide that little thing. And I thought, why am I bothering with that? It's just a little thing that can be cut off. Anyways, there were D-rings attached to the edges of the pages, you know, where you would normally take your book and sew it together. Instead of sewing it together, they sewed D-rings on the edges of the pages. And I'll show you in a minute. There's my little ring. So I did this one. I made a bunch of these little rings, and then I tied this. Of course, I'm going to get something nicer. I'm going to get like a ribbon or something. And then it holds the book together, but then I can take this ring off and I can still open it up and see the backs. Sorry, I have a frog. Okay. Yeah. So that's what this is. So I have 2 over here. I'm going to take this one, and I folded my book up like this to figure out where I wanted those to go. It's a little wonky. But that's okay. That's okay. That's how I got where these are placed. And this one, yes, it goes way down there. And that's okay with me. I'm going to put this one right here. So I'm going to go through the back like that. And then there we go. Now I just need to go through maybe 2 more times. So just like 3 times through. And then I'm going to go through here. And if you're having trouble, because I had trouble at first, getting the needle through all that fabric, get a bigger needle. There we go. I don't know, is it a Dorset button? I don't know. Something like it. Reminds me of those when we were kids. They had the shades, had the pull on the end. Remember that? All right. Well, that's my video. My short little video for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.